How to add hyperlink in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add hyperlink on PowerPoint. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add hyperlink and navigate to that specific page where you want to add the hyperlink. For example, I have this page right here. Now all you have to do is select the word or the text where you want to add your hyperlink. So for example, I have this text right here, that is click here. So for that you have to copy the text right here or simply click on it and then copy the text. After that, right click, and from these options or from this menu box you will see an option as hyperlink. Click on it. Now here you can choose existing file or webpage if you want to navigate the hyperlink to any existing file or webpage. But here there are more options as place in this document, create new document, or email address. According to your preferences or according to your need, you can choose one from here. For now, we will just select the first option and click on it. After that, you have to type in the address right in this text box that says address. Click on it. Now add your hyperlink address. For example, I will just add the hyperlink for Facebook or the link for Facebook. Once done, click on OK. Now the hyperlink has been added. If you navigate to this hyperlink right here, now if you want to click here, all you have to do is press Ctrl in your keyboard and click on this hyperlink, and there you can see you have been navigated to that added link. So that's the way to add hyperlink on PowerPoint, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.